Do you want to be able to fix the Instagram follow limit? Well, then you have come to the right video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes on this process. So the first step is going to be for us to of course come to our Instagram app. And now when you have actually come to your Instagram app right here, then what you need to do first is to come to your profile. And now when you're on your profile, then we need to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and as you can see, we're now taken here. What I'm going to do in here is to click where it says settings. So click on settings in here. And now I'm just going to scroll down and then click on help. So click on help. And then we need to click where it says report a problem. So click on report a problem, and then once again click on report a problem in here. Just going to load perfectly. As you can see, we're now taken here. I'm just going to click on include and continue in here, and then I should be taken here. We now need to write something like this to Instagram. I am having problems with the Instagram follow limit message. Please fix this. So we can basically report this to them. I'm having problems with the Instagram follow limit message. Please fix this. And then click on send in the top right corner. And after you have done this, it took me about 1 to 2 business days for it to actually be fixed for me. But if it's not fixed for you still, then you can actually go back to your profile right here. And basically you need to take a look on your following. If you're following more than 7,500 people, you are not able to basically follow more than that, just so you know. So if you're right now following 7,500 people, then you can just try to unfollow some of them and then try to follow the new people and see if that will work, because that can also solve the issue, just so you know. And even if it says that you're not following like 7,500 people in here, it might be that you have sent some requests as well, just so you know, that haven't been approved yet, and that also counts as a follow, just so you know. So go into your following, unfollow some of the people in there, and try to follow the new ones and see if that will solve the issue, because that probably is going to solve a lot of the issues out there as well, just so you know. So basically this is exactly how to do so. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.